Welcome to the International Linguist Association channel, where we learn languages the easy way by listening and speaking along. This is lesson 28 of the Learn French vocabulary series, and today we will be looking at vocabulary related to internet and computers. Glad to have you back. Your journey towards knowledge continues here. Stay focused and enjoy the learning process. Let's start off with today's vocabulary.
Computer. L'ordinateur. Screen. L'écran. Keyboard. Le clavier. Mouse. La souris. Internet. L'Internet. Email. Le courriel. Website. Le site web. Password. Le mot de passe. File. Le fichier. Folder. Le dossier. Program. Le programme. Download. Le téléchargement. Link. Le lien. USB drive. La clé USB. Printer. L'imprimante.
That is the easy set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Now let's move on to the medium difficulty set.
Software. Le logiciel. Hardware. Le matériel. Network. Le réseau. Browser. Le navigateur. Server. Le serveur. Database. La base de données. Firewall. Le pare-feu. Antivirus. L'antivirus. Operating system. Le système d'exploitation. Cloud. Le cloud. Bandwidth. La bande passante. Encryption. Le chiffrement. Wireless. Le sans-fil. Cybersecurity. La cybersécurité. Backup. La sauvegarde.
That is the second set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Now let's move on to the sentences.
L'ordinateur est neuf. The computer is new. L'ordinateur est neuf. The computer is new. J'ai reçu un courriel. I received an email. J'ai reçu un courriel. I received an email. Le site web est intéressant. The website is interesting. Le site web est intéressant. The website is interesting. J'ai oublié mon mot de passe. I forgot my password. J'ai oublié mon mot de passe. I forgot my password. J'ai téléchargé le fichier. I downloaded the file. J'ai téléchargé le fichier. I downloaded the file. L'imprimante est cassée. The printer is broken. L'imprimante est cassée. The printer is broken. Le logiciel a besoin d'une mise à jour. The software needs an update. Le logiciel a besoin d'une mise à jour. The software needs an update. Le réseau est en panne. The network is down. Le réseau est en panne. The network is down. Le navigateur est lent. The browser is slow. Le navigateur est lent. The browser is slow. Le serveur est sécurisé. The server is secure. Le serveur est sécurisé. The server is secure.
And with that, we conclude this video. Good job on completing this lesson. Excellent work and congratulations. We will meet again in the next video.